Hello, I'm Claire and this is Grant, and we have been working on a project with Live Music Now Scotland recently, funded by Paisley 2021, where we've been going to day centres and care homes around Paisley and Johnstone. So we have been performing and also having a chat with everyone about their memories of the area. And one thing that we noticed that a lot of them had in common was going to the dance halls in their youth. So we've written this song based on their memories, and it's called the Templars Dance Hall. It had been a long week at Ferguslie Mill. Spinning and winding was my job to fill, but as Friday drew nearer, oh what a thrill, couldn't wait for the dancing at Templars. We'd already practiced our footwork that day, the latest dance steps we were keen to display, and with a spring in our step we could finally say we were off to the dancing at Templars. Our best outfits on, we were dressed to the nines, for a shilling and sixpence we waited in line. We could hear the band playing so sweetly in time at the Templars Dance Hall on that Friday. Foxtrot and coextend had already passed by, when a handsome young fella distracted my eye. Are you dancing, he asked. Are you asking, says I, at the Templars Dance Hall on that Friday. I was Ginger Rogers and he Fred Astaire. He said I was pretty, that he liked my blonde hair. And that night as we danced, I felt lighter than air at the Templars Dance Hall on that Friday. When the clock struck 11, it was time to depart. My feet, they were aching, and as was my heart, and I just couldn't wait for the dancing to start at the Templars Dance Hall the next Friday. At the Templars Dance Hall the next Friday.